Today I will make conversations with my friend and I'll ask them some of my questions, and even you can also make your listening practice by this. So let's go with me. I want to know what's your favorite place, like favorite city in India.
Favorite city in India. But which cities like tier 3, tier 2, and tier 1?
Whatever you like for a visiting place.
For visiting, I did not visit any cities. Like I visited only 2 and 3 cities in India. Like little bit Mumbai and Jaipur I visited too much, and Sikar also. But I like really Jaipur
Okay.
to visit.
Okay, you like Jaipur, but why do you like Jaipur? And have you ever visited there?
Yeah, I visited there many times because of compared to any cities, Jaipur is clean air, clean air city, and because of cultural things also in Jaipur, and I like and I enjoy it too much in Jaipur, and many places to visit in Jaipur.
Which place you choose to visited?
I chose like not more, like many places like one is Hawa Mahal, and recently I visited Hawa Mahal, and one is it's very upper side.
Okay,
We
it's
can see all of the Jaipur from that area.
so that is it's beside the
No.
Amer Kila. I know,
Yeah,
but I forget the
but
name.
I forget also. That's the reason I forget. What was the name of that? I forgot. I visited it too much good, really. And if you want to visit of that area, I don't know. You can edit and you can take that name in this video. Okay. And if we want to go that area, like at the Diwali festival, we can enjoy more. And in rainy season, we can enjoy much more.
What was the like? What was the best memory that you have received from there in Jaipur?
Best memory. Many memories I received. Many.
Okay, just
cannot say.
if you can tell one of them, so it will be a good.
One of them, when I visited first time at the Jaipur with my father, that was my really very good memory because I looked first time Jaipur.
What's your favorite place in India where you have visited?
My favorite place, Rajasthan. In Rajasthan, Jaisalmer.
Jaisalmer is your favorite place.
Yes.
So tell me about something that you like. Have you visited there?
Yes, I visited there. There is all you see all Rajasthan's culture.
In Jaisalmer.
Jaisalmer.
How?
How in Jaisalmer you can see all Rajasthan's like some culture. Some people visited from international visitor and national. They come only in Rajasthan Jaisalmer because Jaisalmer defines all Rajasthan's culture.
Why do you like Jaisalmer? And like you have answered that you like the Jaisalmer, but in which season we should go in a Jaisalmer that it will be good for us?
In winter season.
Winter season.
Yes.
Why we should go in a winter season?
Because in winter season many visitors will come and there is a matl- there is a enjoying days of winter in Jaisalmer.
So in which season you have visited?
In wintry.
In winter.
Yes.
Like what was the special memory that you have received from there?
I will visited with my friends and I am enjoying more in Jaisalmer, and this is my favorite and special trip.
Okay. With your friend,
Yes, with my friend.
you went by bus or by your own car?
By own car, and there is night dancing also in Jaisalmer. I saw this is very like very good.
So you have danced there.
No, I am only seeing.
Okay. So what is the best part and what is the best thing you have seen there?
Desert. There is beautiful deserts and riding in desert in my car because I have off-roading car.
What is the famous name of the Jaisalmer?
Jaisalmer, I forgot this, but I know, but I forgot.
Hello Samir.
Hi,
Okay. I want to ask you something. Are you?
go ahead.
I want to ask you, what's your favorite place in India? Where you have visited?
I haven't visited yet, like somewhere, but I want to go like Kashmir. I would it's good like for visiting.
So why do you like Kashmir?
Like it's must visited for good because I like once I want to go there because their nature, their like environments good for us.
So their nature is good, and what the specialty you have seen there, and by whom you have heard about them?
Like I have watched many videos like in Instagram, and there are many people like goes there for visiting, and I have heard like their culture and their like rivers, and in winter, the like mountains. So I like mountains, so I would like to go there.
You have seen the many videos online to go there, and like you haven't visited anywhere so far.
Like some in my nearby my village,
Near.
and just once in Jaipur in my cousin wedding.
Okay, thank you, Samir.
Thank you. Welcome.
Okay, have a good day.
Have a good day to you too.
We have talked about their favorite city, their favorite state in India.
And what's your favorite city? Comment below.
Thanks for watching.